Well, we are located at the top of what's called Chestnut Ridge, so that's why we're higher elevated than some of the other property in the area. This is our pond and home for our rescue ducks. Well, our master bedroom looks right out over the pond and the sun rises over there, so we see beautiful sunrises every morning. We purchased the home because of the view, and the windows allow you to maximize the view. That was very important to us. We bought a view, and to view it, we need the windows, and we need the windows to look really nice. Well, we started the process by getting 3 bids from the 3 top installers that do custom, because we don't have typical windows. It's a mid-century modern home, and we wanted it to look authentic and like it did before. We were drawn to Infinity because we would not lose as much visual space that we were used to seeing. The vinyl was going to take away too much of the visual space. There was going to be a thicker product. And we also chose fiberglass because of the upkeep, because we're out here in the elements and we wanted something that would be more permanent, that we wouldn't have to worry about upkeep and maintenance on. With Infinity, we had a great experience. We thought it was going to be very challenging, and it turned out to be a fairly easy, seamless process. So once they removed the old windows, they took out the old trim for those windows. They brought in new trim and put it up and matched it perfectly design-wise, and then they brought in a stainer who mixed up different formulas so that they can match all the existing woodwork that surrounded the windows. My husband is a supervisor extraordinaire, and he really had no complaints, but he was watching them the whole time, and we didn't really have any questions or concerns that they needed to address. After they did the first round of staining, my husband had noticed a couple spots, and so he came in with little Post-it notes. So they touched up everything and did it exactly to meet our expectations.